What's going on, everybody? Mark Fleetwood here. Welcome back to the Daily Grind Trader. Today's video wasn't planned. It's a little bit off the cuff, so please bear with me. But I was looking through potential trades, going through different charts and making support resistance lines and looking at trend lines. And I found that Ravencoin has made one of the most bullish moves I've seen in a long time. So with that being said, guys, stay tuned. I'm going to tell you why Ravencoin is so bullish right now. Guys, before I hop into the chart, just remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I just share my technical analysis. You manage your own money. You are responsible for your own trades. With that being said, we're going to hop into Ravencoin. We're going to go straight to Ravencoin. And guys, I know it looks like kind of like a spaghetti diagram, so bear with me. I'm looking here because we want to take a look back. This orange line here and here, this was our falling wedge, and most coins were following Bitcoin in this falling wedge type pattern. Ravencoin broke out. And I had these lines of support resistance, and we broke out, and this was a resistance 2 or 3 times before finally breaking through. This one not so much, didn't really resist too much, finished the candle right on it, and then the next candle blew up. This one was a pretty strong support resistance hold here. But what's most important is that the long-term downtrend has broken. The long-term downtrend is no more. Look, we've had a long-term downtrend since November 3rd, November 4th, and every time we got to it, we would fall off, get to it, fall off, kind of trade under it for a while, got to it again, and that was the big fall off. So this is the deepest we'd have been under that downtrend line. Now, when we broke out of the wedge, you know, we're creating a new trend line. We're creating one that hadn't been confirmed until we got a break of the downtrend, a retest, a back test of the downtrend here. Now we didn't quite touch it 100%, but my line could be slightly off. It could be slightly higher than this. But the most important thing is that not only did we potentially retest the downtrend and successfully hold that as a new support line, but we also held support on the line that is a new uptrend. So zooming this out a little bit, you can see it kind of went right into that little corner, right in this highlighted circle. So that this line, this green line here, is now our new trend line support. So as this price action starts to go up, once we gap this should be the farthest we come back down. We come up, gap off of it, and then you kind of turn back into it, gap off of it, turn back in, and that is typically what you look for to make your trading opportunities. You want to catch the support on the trend line, and then ride it up off of it, and then come back, sell it when it's peaked away, and then buy when it comes back to the trend line, because the price action will always come back to the trend line, even in a downtrend. Even in downtrend, you can start a short here, trade it all the way down, gets back to the downtrend line, started short, trade it down, started short, trade it down. So as long as this doesn't break, you can keep shorting off of that downtrend. The same thing applies for an uptrend. This line should keep coming back to here. The price should keep coming back to this trend line. And again, this might need to be adjusted slightly because we only have 2 touches so far. So this isn't set in stone. This could come through a little bit more and come back out, and the line needs to be adjusted slightly. Or it could only come back to here, and we adjust it up slightly. But nonetheless, this is extremely bullish for Ravencoin, extremely bullish news. And it is still kind of in line. It's still kind of in lockstep with Bitcoin, because I'm going to show Bitcoin real quick. And look at the similarity. Long-term downtrend, came down, broke, hit this line of resistance and stuck on it, came down to the little crease area between the new uptrend and the old downtrend, and it bounced. This also happened to have bounced off the 21 and 50 day smooth moving averages on the 4-hour chart. So there, Bitcoin's got a nice bounce too. So would have been a nice buying opportunity for Bitcoin at 49.4. I think I got in right around 50. So I think I got in here after I confirmed this bottom and then got this next candle. With the fractals that I used, this should be a fractal bottom. Yeah, this was a fractal bottom, and then bought in here. So guys, this is extremely bullish. We have developed a new trend line potentially, and we have successfully backtested an old trend line, both on Ravencoin and Bitcoin. So not only is Ravencoin bullish, but it's bullish with the market trend itself, the overall market, as in Bitcoin being bullish as well. So with that being said, guys, that's the video today. I hope you enjoyed. I know it's short, but it was uber important. So guys, if you're bullish on Ravencoin and you want to get in, it's a good time. So as always, until next time, peace.